So here we are on the Durham Heritage Coast, a 10-mile stretch of coastline that goes from Crindon in the south up to Seaham, part of County Durham, but of course it's part of this all-round England coastal path. Now if you were here about 20 years ago, these fantastic beaches you can see today would have been totally black, and that's because here in Easington Colliery, for about 80 years, all the waste that came from the coal mine was dumped here on the beach, and that meant the wildlife, both on the beach and in the sea, became totally devoid. But since the Turning the Tide project began in the turn of the millennium, this has meant when they took millions of tons of this coal waste from these beaches, and we now see what a wonderful job they've done, how beautiful these beaches are today, and of course the wildlife in the sea has come back, and it's really fantastic to see that, and it's a beautiful place to sort of come here as well. Now if you look at the cliffs, you're on the top of the cliffs, you've got this large section of boulder clay. This was laid down in the glacial period, and underneath that we have this magnesian limestone. This was laid down in the Permian period from between 300 million years ago until 250, and it was underneath this limestone is where you find the black gold, the seams of the coal which was laid down earlier between 300 million years in the Carboniferous period. And that's of course why the Victorian gentlemen began drilling through the limestone here in Easington. It was in 1899 in order to bring out the coal, the black gold as it's known.